managing your seasonal items effectively can save you space and stress. Here are 5 essential tips to help you rotate out seasonal items using a storage unit. Before anything goes into storage, take a good look at what you have. Lay out all your seasonal items and decide what you'll actually use next year. This is a great time to donate or discard items that no longer serve you. When it comes to storage, not all packing materials are created equal. For delicate holiday decorations, sturdy plastic bins with bubble wrap can prevent breakage. For clothing, consider vacuum-sealed bags to save space and protect fabrics from moisture and pests. Clearly labeling each box with its contents and the season it belongs to will save you a ton of time and frustration. Use a waterproof marker and stick to a consistent labeling system. Organize your storage unit so that items you'll need sooner are more accessible. Think about storing summer items towards the front during winter, and vice versa. Use shelving units to keep things off the floor and to make the best use of vertical space. Visit your storage unit every few months to check on the condition of your items. This helps catch any potential issues like dampness or pests early on, ensuring your belongings stay in top shape. A little planning and smart storage can make a big difference in keeping your home organized and clutter-free. If you're looking for a clean, safe, and secure place to store your seasonal items, check out Arcos Storage. Visit www.arcostorage.com to learn more about our storage solutions and find a facility near you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your space.